The Kelso High School development, which we're calling Poynder Apartments, will offer 36 flats for people aged 60 years and above, 34 one-bedroom flats and two-bedroom flats at affordable rents. Very much a community setting, and we want to encourage people to get to know each other, to feel safe and secure. Coming in with maybe very low needs, just looking to downsize and move into accommodation that will give that safety and security and a bit of companionship, right through to people who are needing quite a bit of support with day-to-day personal care activities and just that reassurance. We'll also be providing meal service, a range of care and support, meeting individual needs, flexible service which can adapt as people's circumstances change. Within development, we're offering community Wi-Fi. We also have a range of safety systems where we can respond to any emergencies that happen within the development, and a good way of keeping in touch with staff on site.
Nice to be back in the old school. I haven't been back since the building closed 5 years ago, and I was kind of worried what might happen to it. It's a building that's very popular in the town of Kelso, and it's lovely to see it getting a new lease of life.
It's a real statement, as they say, as a piece of architecture, and I'm very glad that that's all been retained, all that Aztec or Toltec detail on these great columns and so on. And I think it's wonderful that it's going to be what I would call social housing, because that's something that we really, really need in the borders. And also to have a prime site like that. It looks south, which is wonderful.
It's also nice to drive past, because as you come into the town, there's lovely grounds, a lovely sort of oasis amongst all the houses, and it's nice to know that that's going to continue. Very
much in the community, and so it's got a kind of symmetry to it, which is very attractive.
Be the dining room for tenants. We'll serve 2 meals a day, lunchtime and evening meal, and very much want this to be the vibrant centre for Poynder Apartments, and encourage people to bring friends, other people in the community to be part of the activities here.